Good day. So today I'm gonna show you how to earn instant 500 pesos cash using the Evidation app. So ang Evidation app is a health app na nagche-check ng iyong health condition, exercise activities, and you will be given points. Then kapag na-accumulate mo yon, upon earning 10,000 points, you will be given 500 pesos. So tulad dito, I'm answering survey na upon completion, they will give me 100 points. So pag na-complete ko to, I have already accumulated 10,000 points na, then I can redeem the points in exchange sa 500 pesos. So tulad nito, natapos ko na yung 10,000 points, click nyo lang yung redeem points. So, yan. Yan, instructions on how to get your reward. Click get your reward. Your reward email is on its way. So, notification will be sent through your registered email na the amount has been credited to your account. So, check natin yung email natin. Usually, it takes around 5 minutes or sometimes shorter para ma-receive mo yung notification. So, yan. Tulad nito, naka-receive na agad ako ng email from Evidation app na your reward is ready. So, to get the reward, just click this View Reward button. So, click nyo lang po ito. Pagka-click nyo, you will be forwarded again to the Evidation app website naman. So, to redeem the $10 reward. So, click nyo tong redeem $10. Okay? Kikita nyo sa Philippines. As you can notice, wala pong product na available sa Philippines. Kung paano nyo mariredeem yung $10. Kasi usually, meron yan eh. Like Starbucks, other stuff. Pero since sa Philippines wala, click nyo lang yung United States. So, pagka-click nyo sa United States, scroll down. Pagkababa nyo, may makikita kayo dyan na PayPal. So, of course, you should have a PayPal account para doon mapunta yung inyong $10 reward. So, click nyo lang po itong transfer $10. So, yan. We're sending the money to your PayPal account. Of course, you have to confirm dun sa part pala kanina na dumaan na you have to confirm your email address. Tapos, after 5 minutes or less, you will receive an email confirming that a $10 has been deposited to your PayPal account. So, medyo matagal yung email. Kung natatagalan ka, you can check na agad sa PayPal account mo kung may pumasok na. Baka na-delay lang yung notification tapos pumasok na pala. So, yan. Tada! Ayan, may pumasok na nga. So, ano lang to eh. Nasa 50 pesos lang yung laman ng PayPal ko. So, ngayon, 551 na. Ibig sabihin, may pumasok. So, ayan, dumating na rin yung email notification confirming that the Evidation Tremendous app has sent you $10. So, yan. So, paano mo magagamit yan kung nasa PayPal account? So, alam ko, ang PayPal pwede siya sa GCash. Pwede mo i-forward sa GCash. Or you can send it sa other na merong PayPal account. Then, ano mo na lang, payout sa kanila. Pero, kung meron ka rin namang Union Bank account, PayPal balances can be forwarded to your Union Bank account. So, paano mag-transfer? Eto, pasensya na kayo, nag-blank yung screen kasi confidential information as is being encoded dito sa part na to kaya nag-blank yung screen. So pero I'm assuring you that the process or ayan tulad niya naging 0 na. So ibig sabihin na transfer na ang inyong PayPal balance sa kung saan mo siya ipinasok sa GCash, sa bank tulad ko sa aking Union Bank account. So, let us check sa aking Union Bank account. So, hindi nyo makikita. Kasi, again, confidential information. Pero, you will receive an email notification that the PayPal balance has been forwarded. Yan, tulad nito. Service at PayPal, pumasok na sa inyong account. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.